All right, guys, I'm here with Mrs. Wright because she is so happy about the finished result that we got here on her floor. I came here like a month ago and I explained to her the process of screen and recall because they didn't have a very bad floor at all, just a lot of micro scratches, scuff mud, but with the screen and recall process, of course, we took care of that. So right now, I'm gonna let Mrs. Wright take over and say whatever she wants to say. Let's do it, Mrs. Wright.
I'm Marcia Wright. I'm a very happy customer, and I want to say that the floors looked beautiful, and I walk on the floor with a slightly damp sock the night of the treatment, and it left small marks on the floor. So they happily came back and redid the floors, no charge, and I just want to vouch for their integrity in doing that. So I would highly recommend.
Thank you, Mrs. Wright. So guys, you heard from the customer. Stay tuned to the next time. Thank you, Mrs. Wright, again.
Yes.